Just wanted to show you my windowsill because I'm growing a whole range of edibles. So everything you see here can be used in the kitchen. So let's have a look at what I've got here. I've got some fuchsias. The fuchsia flowers are edible, so are the berries, great levels of vitamin C. Pansies, a brilliant edible flower too, vitamins A in there. Carnations, a very nice edible flower and a really nice clove fragrant variety too. Peppers, I'm growing chili peppers. Marigolds with edible blooms. Winter savory, which is great with broad beans. Lemon balm, mint, excellent for those teas when I've had a bit too much caffeine for the day. Scented geraniums, I made scented geranium sorbet when I was a kid. Tomatoes, I've got trailing tomatoes, which means I won't have to side shoot them and they will grow on these little dwarf plants too. Also orchids, used in lots of Asian cuisine, the flowers can be edible. And then lastly, lavender. I wanted to grow some lavender, but I wanted a variegated one. So you've got that really relaxing fragrance from the foliage, but also this really interesting look. So there's a little tour of my lovely sunny windowsill with all of my fun edibles. Thanks.